Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I'm happy you stopped by. Today is Super Bowl Sunday. You're invited to a Super Bowl party and you have nothing to make. I've got you covered. I'm using my mom's recipe from back in the day. It was called chalupa dip. Today it's called 7-layer dip, and this is my version. In this small dish, I have a can of refried beans mixed with some salsa, and I've spread it all out. Next, we're going to put on some guacamole. I'm going to spread that on here. You can do this with a knife. I'm using an offset spatula. Whatever you want to do is fine. Next, you're going to spread out a thin layer of sour cream. And if it gets mixed in with the guacamole, that's okay, because it's all going to be on the same chip, right? Now we're going to put on some chopped green chilies. These are hot. You can use the mild. Drain them first before you put them on. Next, we're going to add one bunch of scallions. So I've cut these up. They're not thinly sliced. It's going to have some texture to it. Now come for the black olives. This is a can of sliced black olives that I've already drained. Next, I have some shredded lettuce. This is already pre-shredded in a bag. How convenient is that? You'll be able to pull this together in no time. Here is some sliced tomato. I just used one large tomato, chopped it up, and we'll just put that on here, spread these out. If there's something in this dip that you don't like or that you can't eat, please feel free to substitute. This is like, whatever you want, just throw it together. Last thing we're gonna put on is some grated cheddar cheese. I'm using sharp, whatever you wanna use. If you don't even wanna use cheddar cheese, if you wanna use a Mexican blend, use that. And here is your easy to make, ready to go in a pinch, chalupa dip, 7-layer dip, whatever you want to call it. Now all you need is a bag of chips. Well, that's it for today. Hurry up and make your chalupa dip for the Super Bowl party. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you. Have a great day, everyone. I'll see you next time.